Well, I'm currently heading towards buying a drone for myself. That is what I've been longing for some time. Drones which are not available in India because China and stuff. So here in Taiwan, I believe it will be cheaper because it's almost China. It's not China, but yeah, almost China. So I'm currently heading towards this whole market. It's a shopping mall of sorts. This is the actual building of Singtren. I was wondering, subsidiary market. I was right, and now we are getting inside it. Let's see how that goes. This is not of DJI actually. This is not of DJI. This is third party. So controller probably. This is the drone. This is but it does have a long setup procedure. You download few apps, few things and plugins, and then you have to put on the lightning cable and everything. And now almost setup is done, and we are going to control it with the N3 controller.
If you want to turn on or turn off the controller, you need to press and press longer, same as the drone.
Okay.
We need to put in this one.
Okay.
And we need to take off the protection.
Okay.
Press longer to turn on or turn off.
3, 2, 1.
At beginning, it will be the white light, and if you want to control with your hand, it will become the blue light. Like
blue light.
Up, down, go left, go right, and if you want to go far, get close, go far, and if you want it to come back, doing like this. It will automatically land at your hand.
That's
Very cool.
That's very convenient.
Want to try?
Yeah. Any other thing which I should know? From this? You can use it with your phone.
Not waterproof.
Not
so
waterproof?
they have the different mode, but we cannot try here. You can change the different video quality at here, like 4K, 1080. Yeah, I suggest 4K.
This is 4K, is 2 hours, almost like 3 hours recording, right?
Yeah. But I suggest you use controller. Will be much far, 10 kilometers, and phone only 500 meters.
500 meters. And battery, how much battery?
17
minutes?
17.
DJI Neo 2 fly mode combo costed me almost like 29,231 rupees after the 4% VAT refund which I will get at the airport. वो बोल रहे हैं कि या तो कैश में या क्रेडिट दोनों में दे सकते हैं, तो that is a good thing. So yeah, and वियतनाम के prices भी almost same ही थे which I checked online. I'm sure ChatGPT ने थोड़ा सा liberal होके ही बोला होगा. So yeah, I mean it's a good deal from here.